let's talk about how to get started on your research. Once you've settled on a topic for your research, you shouldn't assume you will just type all of the words of your topic into a search box and find tons of sources that talk about your exact topic. In fact, you shouldn't be able to do that if you picked an interesting original topic that's actually worth writing about. If you've picked a boring topic like legalizing marijuana or video games and violence, you'll find tons of sources that argue the exact point you're planning to argue. That's a bad sign. That means those topics have been discussed so many times that it's hard for you to add anything new to the conversation. In fact, the whole reason we do research is to create new knowledge or to put existing knowledge together in new and interesting ways. You'll probably be doing a lot of the latter, which means that a big part of your research process will be thinking creatively about how to find information relevant to your topic. So let's suppose you've got a pretty interesting specific topic to begin researching, and we'll talk about how you can connect your topic to information that's already out there. Let's say that your beginning topic is something like understanding negative perceptions of electric bikes in Atlanta. Is this a perfect topic? No, but I've whittled it down and I can work with it. Now, can I just type those words into a search box? Sure, I can, but I'm probably not going to find very much. So what do you do? Well, before you ever start typing anything into a search box, think about what kind of information you're looking for. Open a blank document and make a list of all the questions you have or things you need to find information about to even start writing your paper. And always start with the basics. If you're talking about e-bikes or video games or yoga pants or whatever, you need to get some background information on that topic or your key terms. For example, some questions I might have are, what are e-bikes? How many people use them? How popular are they? How are they made? Are there any articles talking about experiences people have had with these things? Maybe from there I want to search e-bikes in popularity or electric bikes in statistics. Maybe those search terms don't work, and that's okay too. In fact, a big part of finding the sources you want is figuring out the right search terms to use. Always start with keywords in your research topic, but be willing to alter or substitute those keywords to help you do research. Maybe e-bikes isn't yielding much, but unpowered bicycles is. You will have to think creatively and try lots and lots of different search terms to find the information you want. And you know what? Your research topic may change and evolve as you find new words and ideas about the topic, and that's exactly how it should be. So now you've got some background information. Great. Now what? Start thinking about comparisons you can make between your topic and other things. Analogies and comparisons are a great way to provide evidence if you can draw a connection between your thing and another thing. So think, is there anything similar to your topic? If you're talking about parking problems at Georgia Gwinnett College in your research, could you look at information for parking at colleges in general or at another similar college like Kennesaw State University? Remember, you do not only have to use the library databases for your sources for this class. So maybe you could go straight to Kennesaw State University's website to see if they have any information about parking. Seeing what is happening with parking at a comparable college might help you draw some conclusions about your research topic about parking at Georgia Gwinnett College. And again, if my topic is e-bikes, I might think about drawing comparisons to something else electric that might have more data, like electric cars. So I could look up information about electric cars. Or maybe I find an article about e-bikes in Seattle. Well, that's another big city, and I could use that information to make a connection to my research topic of Atlanta. I would have to apply this knowledge to Atlanta and then explain to my reader what the connection is, of course. But that's great. That's me thinking creatively. Looking up background information on your topic and trying to find comparisons to other similar things will help you begin to do some good research on your topic. It may feel like you're researching around your topic instead of about your topic, but that's perfectly okay. You're trying to create new knowledge by drawing connections that other people haven't yet thought of. And that's exactly what research is.